Okay, this is our second tutorial. I'm sure that all of you download your Quincy app. So let us write some codes here. The first very beginning C++ code is, as we know that, it's hello world. Hello world is the first beginning. As example in the worldwide, it's very common writing hello world on every kinds of software tutorial. So let us write hash include IO. IO means I stands for input, O stands for output. IO stream. If we write this, we include that input output streams. It is the preprocessor. Hash include means the preprocessor. So we include other things. Other things means input output things, cout cin things on here. So we next to this we must be open our main function. Int means integer main. Sorry, main. And these two braces, square brace. So this int main is the main function. The main function stands for began here. We can make near to here or on here. So on these braces, curly braces, inside these curly braces, all the codes are the main function codes. So at least there is one function in the C++ program. On the next tutorials we will see that other function, creating other functions. We will have 2, 3, 4 main functions on one C++ code, but for now we will see that one function, it's called main function. Main function is fundamental function. We must open main function when we write our code. So in this main function let us write cout. Cout means C stands for computer, out is out. It is previewing computer output. Cout means computer output. We will use this greater than this less than brace, and we will use hello world. So we will close with semicolon. All C++ codes are closed with semicolon. As we know that on English we will use full stop to finish one statement. In C++ instead of full stop we use this semicolon. So we will write return function return to 0. Because we use integer, so we will use integer here. We can write 0, 1, 2, other things, but for common we will use 0. So let us save it. Hello world. It is save type is C++ source code .cpp. It will save just like that. We will leave as a default on desktop. Saved. You see, when we save, we will see the color changes. This hash include iostream.h int main curly brace we will use just like this. It is a very simple program. Let us run it. We can debug, run, or we will click here. Yes, you see that it is compiled correctly. It says hello world. We will see that hello world code on this same MIDI bar, like same MIDI bar. So it's very easy. We are finished. We finished. So let us make some errors. When we delete this semicolon and say run it, yes, you see that it says unsuccessful build. It says that C user something before return semicolon expected. We expect semicolon. So when we click here, the cursor comes over here, and we will put semicolon here and enter it. We will correct just like this. So it says successfully built, and we can see that hello world over here. We can write anything else inside this brace. inside this brace, this double quote, all things that we write inside this double quote will be previewed on our window. So write what you need to preview will be inside this code. This is just like this. Next we will see the data types. On the next tutorial we will see the data types like integers, something like that. So we will meet on the next video. Please subscribe my channel and give me some comments. Thank you.